I have those dirty Nike Blazer sneakers and my goal is to customize them. What I plan to do is to scan them, then transfer into virtual reality, then create some modification parts inside VR, get them in the real world through 3D printer and put on sneakers so I can wear it. First I need to scan, taking all side photos, put it inside Agisoft and get a mesh. Next, importing mesh into Gravity Sketch. Now me and my mesh are together inside VR. Building all parts I wanted to be kind of freaky, cause it's kind of freaky way to customize sneakers from the beginning, just following the vibe. Next up is importing models, slicing new parts, meshes and put it all to the 3D printer. Waiting some time, and when I say some time I mean a week, constant. Yeah, I spent a crazy week to print all of this shit. Final step is to use those sticky picky circles to fix parts on the sneakers. And now I'm a beautiful freak, well done. As it's a modular system, I can mix those parts in any possible way. It is just important to keep it ugly enough. Here are tools I've used to create this stuff: Agisoft for scanning, Cura for slithing models, Gravity Sketch for modeling inside VR, and there is my 3D printer, and Oculus is my VR garniture. Thanks for watching, guys.